Breast compressions are a simple way to help your baby get more milk during a feeding, especially if they start to get sleepy or their drinking slows down. The goal is to gently keep milk flowing so your baby continues to actively feed. As your baby feeds, I want you to watch for active drinking. When you see their chin drop and pause during a suck, that's when milk is flowing. No pause usually means they're just sucking without actively drinking. When those pauses become shorter or your baby starts nibbling instead of actively drinking, it's time to add compression. So what you're going to do is gently squeeze your breast and hold the pressure steady. You're not pushing or rolling your fingers forward, just applying a firm, comfortable hold. It shouldn't hurt, and you don't want to distort the shape of the areola. When you do these compressions, you'll often see your baby return to deeper, more effective drinking. Keep holding the compression as long as your baby is actively drinking. Once they go back to light sucking without swallowing, you're going to release the pressure. This allows milk to flow again naturally. When your baby starts sucking again, you can repeat the compression. Continue this pattern on one side until your baby is no longer drinking, even with compressions. Then offer the other side and repeat the process. You can switch back and forth a few times if needed. Breast compressions are especially helpful in the early days during growth spurts or any time your baby seems to be feeding but not getting much milk. Over time, as feeding becomes more efficient, you'll likely find you don't need to do them as often. The key is to follow your baby's cues. Compress when they're sucking but not drinking, and let them lead the rhythm of the feed. Thanks for watching. Let us know if breast compressions helps to keep your baby feeding for longer at the breast.